If you're thinking about buying ViralStat for your social media management and analytics needs, here are 12 things you need to know before making that decision. First up, ViralStat positions itself as an all-in-one tool for tracking and managing your social media accounts, providing insights into everything from content performance to audience growth. However, it's important to compare it to competitors like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, which offer more extensive integrations with a wider range of platforms. Next thing, ViralStat focuses heavily on analytics, giving you detailed reports on engagement, reach, and follower growth. While these insights are useful, keep in mind that other tools might offer more customizable reporting options. If detailed, tailor-made reports are important for your business, you may want to consider alternatives. The third thing to know is its ease of use. ViralStat has a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, but when compared to some competitors, it lacks a certain depth in features. For example, tools like Buffer or Sprinkler might feel more robust and offer better overall functionality for managing large teams and multiple accounts. The fourth thing, viral monitoring, is a standout feature here. ViralStat excels in tracking viral trends across social platforms. If staying ahead of trends is crucial for your strategy, this feature could be a game changer, especially compared to similar tools like SocialBee or AgriPulse, which don't have the same level of viral trend monitoring. The fifth thing is pricing. While ViralStat's pricing is competitive, some users find it a bit on the expensive side for smaller businesses. Competitors like Later or Buffer offer affordable plans, especially if you're just starting out and don't need every feature that ViralStat offers. Next, ViralStat integrates well with popular platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, but you'll find that other tools, such as Sprout Social, support a wider array of social networks, which could be essential if your brand uses multiple platforms. The seventh thing to note is the limited automation capabilities. Unlike more feature-rich tools like Hootsuite or Zoho Social, ViralStat doesn't offer advanced automation like post scheduling for multiple platforms in a single workflow, which can be a major drawback if you're managing a large-scale social media campaign. Next, ViralStat is great for individual creators or small teams, but it may not be as scalable for larger companies. If your business is growing and requires more advanced team collaboration features, you might want to check out a platform like Sprinkler or SocialFlow. The ninth thing is customer support. While ViralStat does provide decent customer support, it's not as comprehensive or quick to respond as some competitors. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite have dedicated support teams that can address issues faster and more effectively. The 10th thing to keep in mind is the analytics dashboard. It's clean, but it may feel too basic if you're used to something like the in-depth dashboards of Social Pilot or Zoho Social, which offer a more granular breakdown of data and engagement. The 11th thing is mobile compatibility. ViralStat has a mobile app, but it's not as polished as the mobile experiences from competitors like Later or Buffer. If managing your social media on the go is important to you, those options may suit you better. And finally, while ViralStat offers great tools for content discovery and performance analysis, you might want to consider a solution like Hootsuite for its comprehensive content management features, which allow you to plan, schedule, and track content across various platforms seamlessly. So, is ViralStat a good choice? Yes, it's a solid option for those who need robust analytics and viral trend tracking. But if you're looking for a better solution with more comprehensive features, we recommend checking out our top choice that you can try for free.